All right, YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to find your maintenance calories and everything you really need to know about as far as just getting your specific calculations and pretty much what are maintenance calories and things along those lines. All right, now the first thing I want to touch on, just to give you a general explanation of what is your maintenance calories. You may have heard of this terminology, in other YouTube videos and other fitness influencers or whatnot, but pretty much your maintenance calories is a specific amount of calories that your body needs in order to maintain its current weight. So anything you eat below your maintenance calories, you're going to be in a caloric deficit, and then you're going to start to lose weight. The bigger the deficit, the faster you lose weight, and then same thing applies as far as if you were trying to put on weight. If you're going over your maintenance calories, exceeding more energy than your body needs, and then you're going to be putting on weight. So that's pretty much what your maintenance calories is. Okay, so now you know the terminology behind maintenance calories and what it means, and how if you eat too less of it, you'll lose weight. If you eat too much calories, you gain weight. Pretty self-explanatory. So now that you know that simple concept, I'm going to actually show you guys a formula. Super easy formula you can use to calculate your own maintenance calories. I got it written here behind my whiteboard, behind me on my whiteboard, and I'm going to show you guys this formula right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys over there. So the formula right here is going to be your body weight times 14 to 16. Now what this rep range means, or not rep range, I'm over here thinking I'm still at the gym. What this number range means, 14 is going to be if you are not very active at all. So me, I would consider myself a 14, even though I work out and go to the gym, 4 or 5, sometimes 6 times a week. And so, if you're super active, you're burning a lot of calories throughout the day, whether you work at a warehouse, you work construction, you're burning a lot of calories out the day. So your maintenance is going to be way higher. So if you are super active, 16 is going to be the number you use. If you're not very active, you're kind of sedentary, 14 is going to be the number you use. And if you find yourself in the middle, then 15 is going to be the number that you use to calculate your maintenance calories. And so that's the formula right there that you can use. Now I have an example above here. So let's just say your current weight is 200 pounds, right? Super easy number to go off. So using the formula down here, body weight times 14 to 16, you're going to take your current weight, so that's going to be 200 pounds, times 14 to 16, and this is going to give you your calorie range right here. So like I said, 14, you're less active, 16 is more active. So 2800 calories is going to be your maintenance, or 3200 calories is going to be your maintenance. It all depends on your daily activity. So now that you know that, yeah. All right, so now we just went over the formula you can use to, find your maintenance calories. And so, you could just put in your body weight. I use 200 pounds for this example, but you could just take your body weight and times it by 14, 15, or 16, depending how active you are, like we went over previously. 14, if you do your body weight times 14, you're going to be less active. Whether you're at like a desk job all day. 15, you're going to be somewhat active throughout your day, and 16 is if you are very active and you work a construction job or like a physical demanding job, and you're on your feet maybe 8 hours a day, constantly moving. You're burning more energy and calories throughout the day, so you're going to need more of a maintenance, more calories just to sustain that and just to keep your weight. But once you find that, then you can just play with these numbers, and you can go into a deficit to lose weight, surplus to gain weight, and I'll make a video on that, on how much you should, if you want to lose like a pound a week, how much of a deficit you would have to be in and things like that. But this is going to be your maintenance calories. I don't know if I stated this in this video specifically, but this is the same formula I use to lose over 30, coming up on 35 pounds. And so this formula does work. I've experienced it. I've done this process before, and I've implemented it and counted my calories. But it's not just me that's using this formula. There's many fitness influencers. Christian Guzman, someone I really look up to in the fitness industry. He uses the same exact formula, and many people use his formula as well. But everything's an experiment. So like I said, I hope this video helps you guys out a lot, because I know it's helped me kind of just make things easier for you to understand. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns relating fitness, the military, or any general questions you may have, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section box down below. Also, just any video ideas you want to know, fitness related. I've got a lot of fitness content coming out soon, and things like that. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and peace.